If you're planning a trip and want to save money on hotels, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you how to find cheap hotels on Agoda step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way, so you can book the best deals without spending too much. First, open the Agoda app or website and enter your destination, check-in date, and check-out date. After that, tap on the guests option and select the number of people. Now hit the search button and Agoda will show you a list of available hotels. This is where the real trick begins. Instead of randomly scrolling, use the filters option. Set your budget range, select low to high price sorting, and choose your preferred location. This helps you quickly find cheaper options without wasting time. Next, look for labels like deals, discount, or mobile only price. Agoda often gives special discounts only on the app, which can be 5 to 20% cheaper than normal prices. So always try to book using the mobile app instead of a browser to save more money. Also, keep an eye on flash sales and seasonal offers because these can give you up to 50% off on hotel bookings. Another useful tip is to book at the right time. Booking early can give you lower prices, especially for popular destinations. But sometimes, last-minute bookings can also be cheaper if hotels are trying to fill empty rooms, so if your plans are flexible, compare both options before booking. You should also check for promo codes and coupons before making payment. Agoda regularly offers discount codes that can reduce your total price even more. You can also join Agoda's membership or rewards program to get extra discounts and cashback on future bookings. One more smart trick is to turn on price alerts or compare different dates. Prices change depending on demand, so sometimes shifting your stay by 1 or 2 days can make a big difference in cost. So in simple words, finding cheap hotels on Agoda is easy. Search your destination, use filters, check app-only deals, apply coupons, and book at the right time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple travel guides like this. See you in the next video.